In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prepare for the upcoming SCPrime fork that is happening within the next couple days by updating your Node software. The SCPrime fork is just a mere few days away, and with that, basically if you're running a storage node, you absolutely have to be on the new version of the Node software, or you will jeopardize losing all of your contracts. Essentially what's happening is they are forking and they're creating another token. However, what will happen is anybody that remains on the old Node software will essentially cause a split chain. And so bad things can happen with that. So they've released the updated Node software and it's safe to update early. So today I'm going to walk you through how you can do that for your DIY installation of SCPrime. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump on over to a SSH session. So if we jump over, I'm actually running it in HiveOS. I'm just going to grab my IP. We're going to go ahead and log in here. And now once we're logged in, the first thing we want to do is we want to check the version. I already know where my exe is running. Hopefully you know where your exes are running as well. But for me, it's SCP folder / SPC. We want to run the client. We're going to do host-v. This is going to connect to the node that we're running locally. And here we can see the version. And here you can see I'm running version 1.6.6. The latest version is 1.7. So we need to update. So in order to do that, we're going to head on over to SCPrime's website. We're going to go to Resources, Software. And then right here on the command line daemon, we want to grab, for me, I want to grab the Linux version. So I'm going to right click, do copy link address, and then I'm going to jump back over here, and I don't really have anything in this folder, so this is fine. I'm going to do a wget command and paste in that copied URL. This is going to download as a zip file. Now we want to unzip it. So we're going to do unzip SCPrime v1.7.0-linux-amd64.zip. This is going to go ahead and unzip it. And now we can see we have a new folder, so we're going to go in here. And we can see we have a new SPC and a new SPD. So the next step for me is I'm running SPD within a screen session. So I'm going to do screen-r, hit tab. This will show me my running screens. And I'm running supervisor and I'm also running SCP. And so I'm going to go in the SCP one. And here you can see the node's running. And it's version 1.6.6. I'm going to do a Control-C. Let that gracefully exit. And now if we rerun that SPC command for the version, it should fail. Right? Can't find it. So that's perfect. The next step is to replace the exes that we just downloaded. So if we do an ls, right, we can see we have SPC and SPD. So I'm going to do a move, and I'm going to move basically both of those into /SPC. We do asterisk here. I'm sorry, SCP. So we're going to move SP asterisk, so that should move both of our files into the SCP folder. And now if we go back and we're going to just run our normal startup script. So if we do cat /etc/rc.local, I think that's where it is. Yeah, I actually have this startup script. So let me just check what's in that startup script. And it looks like it's basically just going to run. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stop supervisor as well. We can go ahead and stop that. And now we can just run our startup script. And this will take a while. It does take a while to start back up. So we're just going to let this sit, run. Once it's up and running, then we're going to verify that both screens are running and the wallet's unlocked and that we're running version 1.7. Alright, it's finished. We can say our wallet's unlocked. So now if we just check screen real quick, we should have both running. We have SCP and supervisor. So now we can just do /SPC SCP/SPC host-v. And here we can see we are now running version 1.7. So we should be good to accept new contracts. We are accepting contracts. So that's good. The only other thing we want to do real quick is we want to check the wallet and make sure it is indeed unlocked. So if we do wallet, here we can see it's unlocked. And here we can see we now have SPFB and SPFA, where previously we just had SPF, period. So B is the new one that they've added, and here we can see there's separate claims for those. So everything looks like it is good. So that's pretty much all there is to making sure it's updated. Definitely make sure you are on this latest version. If you're curious when the actual fork is happening, you can head on over to SCPrime's Discord. They have the block number posted over there.